Anytime. Family sigh. Kobeni! Ah! Your smile is too forced. Make it more like family. Yes, sir. Also, you say, ah, every time you talk. It's about time you broke the bad habit. Because that's not familial. Ah, yes, sir. Ah. Alright, we're going to Japan. We're going to Family Burgers right now. What the fuck? You just slapped a staff. Can the chainsaw devil please come and kill that man? Oh, please call for the chainsaw devil to save you with your restaurant. He slapped staff. That was a family slap, okay? Yeah, that makes it okay. Because that's allowed in within family too. Oh, hell nah. Oh my god, this is physical abuse. I want you to remember that pain every time you're about to say ah. If you do that, you'll stop saying it, won't you? Isn't that right? I'm so mad right now. I'm so mad right now. Kobeni, we should all work together to solve problems, cause we're a family. Shut the fuck up. Save me. What did you say? Oh, welcome to Family Burger. Who did you call for... Please... Oh no. Oh no! Bah! She didn't say save me, Chainsaw Man. So she's not gonna be killed, right? I don't want her to die. She was just abused right now. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh, ah. The fuck. What the fuck? What happened? You just decapitated him. Oh my god, look at the face. Look at that face. Look at her, like, oh, nice. Oh my god. Hamburger meal. He's taking the poster? Hey, Pochta, just once in my life, I want to try a hamburger that isn't rotten, you know? Pochta is still alive. This is still Pochta. Pochta, come on. I thought you were gone. But you still have a heart for Denji. You're still there for Denji. You still love Denji. Thank you, Pochta. Oh my god. He's sitting down. Oh my god. So now that the chainsaw devil is unleashed, how the fuck do you put him back? He's just walking around now. Like this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Mamma mia. Call the devil hunt. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Is this for real? Are you serious? Oh my god. Burger! Hamburger! Got an order. One hamburger. Make it a meal. Family! They're really treating him like a customer. Burger. They're really treating him like a customer. And he does that just for Denji. Pochta. Pochta, my cutie. Everyone asks, where is Chainsaw Man? What is Chainsaw Man? But not how is Chainsaw Man? Eat with your family at Family Burger. Moms and dads love Family Burger. Tomato, cheese, bun, and the star that packs a punch is the... Kobeni, take the food out. Take it out there. Me? One supersized Family Burger. Meal. Meal. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, Kobeni. Kobeni, my girl. Rest in peace. Oh my god. Addition to make elders Kobeni say you. Yeah, my voice acting being on point, huh? I'm sending the streams as your audition for Kobeni or Makima at least once. P. Kobeni can't. She looks too calm. She's accepted death. She's accepted death. She's ready to die. Vam! Va! Va! Family! Eat with your family at Family Burger! Moms and dads love Family Burger! Tomato! Cheese! Bun! Kobeni, we're going to die because of you! Yeah, don't say anything against Kobeni or you're gonna lose your head. Yep. Ugh. Don't trip this time. Don't you dare trip. Yes, sir. Yes. Don't dare trip. Don't say don't say it. When super-sized baby meal with Pola. I tripped again. Fujimoto, you beast! I love the comedy in this comic. I love the comedy in this comic. What the fuck? Poor Kobeni. Oh my god. Oh. Oh no. A banana peel? No, but there's lots of guts. She's tripping over corpses and guts. Devil guts. Like, do you see the guts around his neck? Oh my god. Oh no! Oh no. Look at them. Oh no! Kobeni! I'm so sorry. Why is this so funny? Bro! We cried last week, we're laughing now. You never get a break with this comic. It's a whole roller coaster of tragedy, mindfuck, and comedy. Told you it was a funny chapter. It is. It's a good chapter. I was so stressed when I first read this that I burst out laughing every time she fell. I'm stressed too. Fujimoto likes to play with our feelings. Yeah, that's true. A few chapters ago we met at Makima, and before that he made us cry on Snowball Fight, and now this comedic sketch. Exactly. What the fuck? I love it so much. You just perfectly described Chainsaw Man. Yeah. I'm sorry. Look at that. Look at that. Is this a hidden camera prank? There's no way she tripped twice, right? I get it. This is a hidden camera show. We're being punked. Hey, you're watching, aren't you? We know this is all a prank. Oh. Everyone's getting shit except Kobeni. Maybe because Pochita remembers Kobeni. That she is a former colleague of Denji's, and Denji doesn't hate her. Kobeni, I'm so sorry for laughing. When the chapters have such chaos, you can skip it without seeing. She's just giving a burger off the floor. She reassembled the burger. When Pochita remembered Denji saying, I want to eat a burger that's not rotten. He's like, yeah, okay, that's still a level up, you know, it's not a rotten burger, it's just a little dirty from the floor. Oh my god, it was a prank until you lose your head. Thanks for making this voice acting out. That's just the bonus content you get when you subscribe to my channel. This is Kobeni voice acting at its peak, ladies and gentlemen. The English dub can never... Her hopelessness might remind Pochita of when he first met Denji. Maybe. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at the burger! It slipped! Oh my god. And her just crying. He's just eating it, yeah. Looks good. It's like he's enjoying it, perhaps? I wanna go on a date with a girl so bad. He remembers that, too. That was still when... Okay, but Pochita is just remembering Denji from... before they joined bodies. He's just remembering Denji from, like, a third perspective, not from the inside. Has Pochita forgotten that Denji has experienced that already? Denji has gone on dates already. And he has eaten fresh food already, too. This chainsaw devil, Pochita, is still caught in the past. This is so cute. He wants to fulfill Denji's wishes because he thinks Denji is dead or something. Oh my god. Pochita, the chainsaw devil still has a heart for Denji. See, to the chainsaw devil, the tragedy of one child is not just mere collateral damage for a greater good. It's the thing that gives meaning. Every person is an entire world. You're not gonna just sacrifice one person to save this world. And, okay, so the chainsaw devil is looking at Kobeni, and Kobeni happens to be a girl. Oh my god, Kobeni, I think you're gonna have to go on a date with this devil. Oh my god. Oh my god, you can basically think of these actions as coping. Yeah, basically. Basically, all of this is coping. This is still so sad. It's funny and sad at the same time. What the fuck? Why? No. Kobeni, I'm sorry. He just kidnapped her because she's a girl. And soft serve, yeah. Dates involve ice cream eating. Yeah. Kobeni balloon! Oh my god. You can basically think of these actions as coping. Oh yeah, I read that one. Soft serve ice, 100 yen ice cream. Ah! Ah! Oh my god! The ice cream truck is no more. They got their ice cream. He gave her ice cream. He's forcing her to eat ice cream. I wonder what's going through Kobeni's head right now. She's just like, okay, there's a devil that came into my store, killed all the staff, kidnapped me, and is forcing me to eat ice cream. Oh no. Ah, this It's so fly Chinatown. Mayonaka no hito no mi ni. Yeah, I know that song. I got it from you, Epi. You actually... The songs that Epi posts on his Instagram story, they're real... How do you call them? It's called... Wavwum. in German. They're just stuck in your head, I guess. That's how you can say it. I swear Kobeni is pretty strong as well, but she's such a nervous wreck, she can't do anything. Yeah, right? It doesn't taste like anything. Poor girl. Game center. When is this date gonna end? Oh, pretty strong looking devil. For the dispatch I accepted. Oh no, please go home. Please turn around and walk off. Don't be afraid, miss. It's safe now that I'm here. And he lost his head. Buns. Buns. Nodding. I don't think Kobeni knows who that devil is. Or she recognizes the chainsaw. Maybe she doesn't know, but I hurt myself today to see if I still feel. I focus on the pain, the only thing that's real. Oh my god. You have to put money into dance, so I can't. Oh, yeah, you don't. Oh my god, she's basically just a hostess right now. She has to eat the ice cream, accompany him, dance for him. Yeah! I've never done it before. Never. So... I feel so bad for her. Great. 62 combo. My pad party. So many contract with the dance devil. Step. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. He's gone. 4, 1, 2. By the way, there's a dancing game of this. Oh my god.